bet you don't know the most viewed video on YouTube right now and how much money that video made. It's not a movie trailer, it's not a music video, it's not even a celebrity doing something crazy. It's a kid's poem. Let me play it for you. See, this is a simple cartoon rhyme video and it has 16 billion views. That's more than double the number of people on this planet. Let that hit you for a second. This video alone generated over $22 million. Can you imagine how much money this is? One video, simple cartoons, a song for kids, 16 billion views. And here's what nobody's telling you. The people behind channels like that are making more money than most doctors, lawyers, and engineers combined. Look at our tool here. This is how much these channels are generating. So today, I'm going to show you exactly, step by step, how to make a video just like that using AI in under 10 minutes for free. Stick with me. This is going to change how you think about YouTube forever. Let me be real with you for a second. Most people hear YouTube channel and think, I need to be on camera. I need expensive gear. I need to be famous. Wrong. Kids rhyme channels are some of the highest earning channels on YouTube and nobody's face is in them. No camera, no microphone, no studio, just cartoons, songs, colors, and kids who watch the same video 400 times a week because that's just what kids do. So no tension for how to get views. Now here's the really good news. You can make one of these videos today, right now, with tools that are free or almost free, and I'm going to walk you through every single step. There are 5 steps total. We're going to go through all of them. Don't skip ahead. Each one builds on the last. Let's go. Step 1, write the rhyme using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. You probably already have it. Here's the exact prompt you type. I'll give this in description, so you just copy and paste it. ChatGPT gives you a list. Now pick one. Let's say you pick this. Now type this in and replace our selected title with this placeholder. Boom! You have a full poem in 10 seconds. And here's something most people don't know. You can ask for it in any language: English, Spanish, Hindi, French, whatever your audience speaks. This matters because kids' channels in other languages are massively underserved. Less competition, same money. You just got your script. That's step 1, done. It's time for step 2. Turn that poem into a song using Suno AI. Okay, you have the words, now you need the music. Go to Google, search Suno AI. Sign up with your Google account. It's free, they give you free credits. Now here's what you do. Paste your full poem into the lyrics box. In the style section, type children's song or child and hit create. Suno gives you 2 or 3 versions of your song. Listen to them, pick the best one, download it as an MP3. That's your audio, done. Now, quick warning. I'll talk about this more later in the video, but write this down. Free Suno means you may get copyright problems on YouTube. We'll fix that at the end. Keep watching, but for now, you have your song. Step 2, done. Now it's time for step 3. Get your visual prompts. Back to ChatGPT, we need the visuals. But here's the thing, you're not going to design anything yourself. You're going to make AI do it for you. Go back to ChatGPT, paste your poem in, then type this prompt. That last line is important. Do not give short prompts, because short prompts means blurry, confusing clips that don't match each other. Long prompts means clean, colorful, consistent cartoon clips. ChatGPT gives you one detailed prompt per line of the poem. Copy them, save them. You're going to use them one by one in the next step. Step 3, done. Step 4, create your animated clips using Google VO3 and Whisk. This is the magic step. Pay attention. Go to Google, search Google Flow. You're looking for Google Flow AI. Sign in with your Google account. It's free. You don't need to pay for anything. Once you're in, Select the model called VO3, this one right here. Choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 if you're making a regular YouTube video, 9:16 if you're making YouTube Shorts. Paste your first prompt from step 3. Click Run. In under a minute, you get a short animated clip. If it says failed to generate, just hit run again, 2, 3, 4 times if needed. It works eventually. Don't panic. Download that clip, paste your second prompt, click run, download, repeat. Now here's a little trick that will save you a lot of headaches. Google gives you a limited number of free clips per day per account, so use more Gmail accounts. 6 clips per account. 5 accounts means 30 clips. That's more than enough for one full video. Download all your clips. Keep them organized. Step 4, done.
Step 5, edit everything together. Now you have everything, let's stitch them together to get our final viral-worthy cartoon-style song. Use CapCut, Filmora, or Premiere Pro. You can use your phone too if you don't have a laptop. Here's how. Open your editor, import the Suno MP3 as your audio track. Drop in your first video clip, sync it to the first line of the song. Drop in the second clip for the second line. Keep going until the video ends. First, let's hit play and check what we made.
Come along, the farm's awake today. Colors in the sky and animals on their way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, shout hooray. Hello, it's everyone. The Rainbow Farm Parade today. Rainbow, rainbow in the sky. Cows say moo and ducks say hi. March along and sing hooray. Welcome to the farm parade.
That's it. You now have a finished children's rhyme video made entirely with AI. No camera, no voice, no expensive software. Total cost so far is $0. Listen carefully, it's important. We talked about the copyright thing. Okay. I promised I'd come back to this. Here it is. When you use the free version of Suno, YouTube's system might flag a video for copyright. Why? Because Suno keeps ownership of free songs. You don't want copyright strikes, especially when you're building a channel. The fix is simple. Suno has a monthly subscription. It's $10 a month for almost hundreds of songs. When you pay, you get full ownership of everything you create. No copyright claims, no strikes. Your music is yours. That's the only thing I tell you to spend money on in this entire process. $10, that's it. You'll find Suno link in description. Let me zoom out for a second and show you what you actually just learned. You can now make a full, high-quality children's rhyme video every single day. With AI writing the poem, AI making the music, AI creating the animation. You just edit and upload. And here's why this works. Kids don't watch a video once. They watch it 50 times, 100 times. Every single YouTube view is equal to money. And the more videos you post, the more the algorithm puts you in front of new kids. It snowballs. The channels doing this consistently, some of them are making 5, 6, even 7 figures a year from cartoons for kids made with AI. Now you know exactly how to do it. The only question is, are you going to actually do it? Most people watching this are going to say, wow, that's cool, and move on with their day. Don't be that person. Pick one rhyme idea today. Open ChatGPT. Follow these steps. If you want me to break down any one of these tools in detail, comment below which one. And if this helped you, hit that subscribe button because we do this every week. Real tools, real strategies, no fluff. Let's go.